The Bluetooth revolution, a world of wireless connections. Bluetooth technology has become ubiquitous, seamlessly connecting our devices and enabling a world of wireless possibilities. From smartphones and laptops to headphones and smart home devices, Bluetooth has revolutionized the way we interact with technology. This wireless connectivity has become an integral part of our daily lives, but with convenience comes risk. As we embrace the convenience of Bluetooth, it's crucial to prioritize the security of our devices and data. Bluetooth security assessments are essential for identifying vulnerabilities and mitigating potential risks. By proactively assessing the security posture of our Bluetooth-enabled devices, we can enjoy the benefits of wireless connectivity while safeguarding our privacy and sensitive information. This essay will delve into the intricacies of Bluetooth security in 2024, exploring common vulnerabilities, emerging threats, and the importance of robust security assessments. We will examine the evolving landscape of Bluetooth security, from outdated protocols to the impact of the Internet of Things. By understanding the potential risks and adopting proactive security measures, individuals and organizations can confidently navigate the world of Bluetooth while safeguarding their digital lives. Bluetooth vulnerabilities, unlocking the threats. While Bluetooth offers unparalleled convenience, it is not without vulnerabilities. Cybercriminals are constantly seeking ways to exploit weaknesses in Bluetooth technology to gain unauthorized access to devices and data. One common misconception is that Bluetooth's limited range provides inherent security. However, attackers can employ techniques like bluesnarfing and bluejacking to exploit devices within range, stealing information or spreading malware. Another vulnerability lies in outdated Bluetooth protocols, which may lack the robust security features of their modern counterparts. Moreover, default pins and weak pairing procedures can create backdoors for attackers to infiltrate devices. Users often overlook the importance of changing default settings and using strong, unique pins, leaving their devices susceptible to attacks. Understanding these vulnerabilities is the first step towards mitigating risks. By being aware of the potential threats, users can make informed decisions to enhance their Bluetooth security posture. Outdated protocols, a gateway for hackers. Bluetooth technology has evolved over the years, with each iteration introducing new features and security enhancements. However, outdated Bluetooth protocols such as Bluetooth 2.0 and earlier remain in use, posing significant security risks. These older protocols often lack essential security features like encryption and authentication, making them easy targets for attackers. Devices using these outdated protocols are particularly vulnerable to eavesdropping, where attackers can intercept and steal transmitted data. For example, an attacker could exploit an outdated Bluetooth protocol to intercept sensitive information being transmitted between a smartphone and a wireless headset. The lack of encryption in these older protocols allows attackers to easily capture and decipher the data. It's crucial to ensure that Bluetooth-enabled devices are using the latest protocols and security patches. Manufacturers play a vital role in providing updates, and users must prioritize applying these updates promptly to mitigate the risks associated with outdated protocols. The IoT explosion expanding the attack surface. The Internet of Things has ushered in a new era of interconnected devices, from smart home appliances to wearable fitness trackers. While the IoT offers convenience and efficiency, it also expands the attack surface for Bluetooth-related threats. Many IoT devices rely on Bluetooth for communication, often using low-power versions of the protocol that may have inherent security limitations. The sheer number of interconnected devices in an IoT ecosystem creates a complex web of potential vulnerabilities that attackers can exploit. For instance, a compromised smart bulb could serve as an entry point for attackers to gain access to the entire home network. The interconnected nature of IoT devices amplifies the impact of a single compromised device, potentially compromising the entire ecosystem. It's essential to prioritize security when integrating IoT devices into our homes and workplaces. Robust authentication, encryption, and regular security updates are paramount to mitigating the risks associated with the expanding IoT attack surface. Section 5. Assessing the risks, tools of the trade. Bluetooth security assessments are crucial for identifying vulnerabilities and mitigating potential risks. These assessments involve a systematic evaluation of Bluetooth-enabled devices and their associated protocols, configurations, and implementations. Security professionals employ a range of tools and techniques to conduct comprehensive Bluetooth security assessments. Protocol analyzers, for example, capture and analyze Bluetooth traffic, allowing assessors to identify anomalies and potential security breaches. Bluetooth sniffers are another valuable tool that enables the interception and analysis of Bluetooth communications. By monitoring Bluetooth traffic, sniffers can detect unauthorized access attempts, data leaks, and other malicious activities. Penetration testing tools specifically designed for Bluetooth environments allow security professionals to simulate real-world attacks and assess the effectiveness of existing security controls. These tools help identify vulnerabilities that could be exploited by attackers. By utilizing these tools and techniques, security assessments provide valuable insights into the security posture of Bluetooth-enabled devices, enabling organizations and individuals to take proactive measures to mitigate risks. Section 6. LE Secure Connections, a step towards enhanced security. In response to evolving security threats, Bluetooth technology has continued to advance, introducing new features and protocols aimed at enhancing security. One such development is LE Secure Connections, a security feature introduced in Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE version 4.2 and later. LE Secure Connections enhances the pairing and bonding process between devices, making it significantly more difficult for attackers to intercept or manipulate communications. It employs elliptic curve cryptography, or ECC, to establish secure connections, providing stronger encryption and authentication mechanisms. Unlike previous pairing methods that relied on relatively weak pins, LE Secure Connections utilizes a more robust authentication process that involves the exchange of public keys. This approach significantly reduces the risk of brute force attacks and ensures that only authorized devices can connect. The adoption of LE Secure Connections is crucial for enhancing the security of Bluetooth-enabled devices, particularly in the context of the growing Internet of Things or IoT ecosystem. Manufacturers and developers should prioritize implementing LE Secure Connections in their devices, while users should look for devices that support this enhanced security feature. Section 7. Case Study: Unmasking Vulnerabilities in Smart Locks. Smart locks, a popular application of Bluetooth technology, offer convenience and enhanced security features. However, a real-world case study highlighted the importance of thorough security assessments to uncover and address potential vulnerabilities. In 2023, a security research team conducted a comprehensive security assessment of several popular smart lock brands. The assessment involved a combination of manual testing, protocol analysis, and penetration testing techniques. The team discovered that some smart locks were vulnerable to replay attacks, where an attacker could record the Bluetooth signal used to unlock the door and later replay it to gain unauthorized access. Furthermore, the assessment revealed that certain smart locks had weak authentication mechanisms, allowing attackers to bypass security measures and gain control of the lock. The research team was able to exploit these vulnerabilities to remotely unlock the smart locks without authorization. This case study underscores the importance of rigorous security assessments in identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities in Bluetooth-enabled devices. It also highlights the need for manufacturers to prioritize security in the design and development of smart home devices. Section 8. Staying ahead of the curve: the importance of continuous assessment. Bluetooth security is not a one-time fix but an ongoing process. As technology evolves and new threats emerge, it's crucial to adopt a proactive approach to security. Continuous security assessments are essential for staying ahead of the curve and ensuring the ongoing protection of Bluetooth-enabled devices and data. Regular assessments help identify new vulnerabilities that may arise from software updates, configuration changes, or the emergence of new attack vectors. They provide insights into the effectiveness of existing security controls and highlight areas for improvement. Organizations and individuals should incorporate Bluetooth security assessments into their overall security strategy. This includes establishing a regular assessment schedule, defining clear objectives, and engaging qualified security professionals to conduct the assessments. By embracing continuous security assessments, we can adapt to the evolving threat landscape, mitigate risks proactively, and maintain the security and integrity of our Bluetooth-enabled devices. Section 9. Best practices for a secure Bluetooth experience. While Bluetooth security assessments provide a comprehensive evaluation of potential risks, individuals can adopt several best practices to enhance their Bluetooth security posture on a daily basis. These practices include: keep Bluetooth disabled when not in use. Disabling Bluetooth when not actively using it reduces the attack surface and minimizes the risk of unauthorized access. Use strong, unique pins. Change default pins and use strong, unique pins for all Bluetooth-enabled devices. Avoid using easily guessable pins such as 0000 or 1234. Be mindful of pairing requests. Only pair with trusted devices and be cautious of unsolicited pairing requests. Attackers may use malicious devices disguised as legitimate devices to gain unauthorized access. Keep software up to date. Regularly update the software and firmware of all Bluetooth-enabled devices. Software updates often include security patches that address known vulnerabilities. By adopting these best practices, individuals can significantly reduce their risk of falling victim to Bluetooth-related attacks and enhance the overall security of their Bluetooth experience. Section 10. The future of Bluetooth security, navigating the evolving landscape. As Bluetooth technology continues to evolve, so too will the security landscape. Emerging technologies such as quantum computing pose potential threats to existing encryption algorithms, while the growing adoption of Internet of Things devices continues to expand the attack surface. To navigate the evolving landscape of Bluetooth security, it's crucial to stay abreast of the latest developments, emerging threats, and best practices. This includes following industry publications, attending security conferences, and engaging with security experts. Researchers and developers are actively working on enhancing Bluetooth security, exploring new encryption algorithms, authentication mechanisms, and security protocols. The future of Bluetooth security will likely involve a combination of technological advancements and evolving security standards. By embracing a proactive and informed approach to Bluetooth security, we can harness the power of this transformative technology while mitigating risks and safeguarding our digital lives. Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing a secure Bluetooth future. Bluetooth technology has revolutionized the way we connect and interact with the world around us. As we embrace the convenience of wireless connectivity, it's paramount to prioritize security and adopt a proactive approach to mitigating risks. Bluetooth security assessments play a crucial role in identifying vulnerabilities, assessing the effectiveness of security controls, and providing actionable insights for improvement. By conducting regular assessments, organizations and individuals can stay ahead of the curve, adapt to emerging threats, and ensure the ongoing security of their Bluetooth-enabled devices and data. The future of Bluetooth security will undoubtedly bring new challenges and opportunities. By embracing a culture of security, staying informed about the latest developments, and adopting best practices, we can harness the power of Bluetooth technology while safeguarding our digital lives. As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, let us strive to create a future where Bluetooth connectivity is both seamless and secure.